So this morning we're going to talk about selecting, I should say, drive shaft tubings to build new drive shafts out of. So here's the deal. I got 4 brand new drive shafts I'm building and 2 alterations. So I got 6 of them all in motion here in the shop. I've got all the ends prepared. I've got all my cut lengths figured out. I've already chopped the two of them that are over there that were existing drive shafts that are making alterations to, because mostly, and that's to do with transmission or axle changes most of the time. So these are brand new builds for customers for their hot rods and trucks. So as you can see, I've got the tube lengths marked on them, and I've got where I'm going to cut them marked, and here's what's going on, why they're all over here. So a long time ago, I got in the habit of rolling the raw tubings in a set of rollers to make sure that they're even good to start with before I went and welded ends on them, and then come to find out they had a hook in them that was unmanageable. So those are the rollers I've used for a long time, like 30 years. They're not super duper precision rollers, but they're pretty darn good rollers. So here we go. This tubing here is what we're looking at. So that's 0. Gonna come around. As you can see, it's gaining rapidly. And boom, like 70 thousandths. Remembering that this indicator is, one trip around this indicator is 50 thousandths, not 100 like most indicators. But, so this is a prime example of why I do it. And it's not that much different of, most people can relate to going to the lumberyard and selecting 2x4s. You always look down the 2x4 to make sure you're getting the best ones, and the bad ones you huck back in the pile. Well, this guy here is getting hucked back in the pile, and I'm gonna go open another box and select a better tubing to build my customer's drive shaft out of. And that's the story with these. I already like these. I know where I'm going to cut them. I'm taking the best part out of them. That's why I do it. That's why I do it this way. So we're using the optimum piece out of the tubing to get the best result.